So we use this picture to explain the cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle is just what happens as the blood is being pumped through the heart. We already know that we receive the oxygenated blood from the right side, and that will send blood to the body using the left side of the heart. So this is right and this is left, and the heart is no longer color-coded, but we know that this side of the heart carries blood with no oxygen, and this side the blood has oxygen. So as the blood comes up through the vena cava, the atria has to be relaxed so the heart, so the atria is filled up with blood. Not only the right side, but that happens at the left side too. Remember that everything that happens in here has to be rhythmic, compared on both sides. So they will both happen at the same time. So the atria is relaxed and blood rushes in. After the blood rushes in and the atria goes under systole, and systole will be the same as contraction. So first it has to relax, so then relax would be diastole. So the diastole of the atrium, so the blood can comes in. Systole of the atrium, so the blood can be pushed out. So out towards the ventricles through the bicuspid valve on the left side, or out of the ventricle through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. So now let's say the atria has gone under systole and now the blood is on the ventricles. The ventricles go under systole, goes through systole, and pushes the blood out towards the aorta on the left side, and towards the right side it goes under systole and pushes the blood towards the pulmonary trunk into the pulmonary arteries on the left and the right side. And after that happens, the same thing happens with, as this is pushing down that way, blood is being filled on the atrium. So since the blood is a closed system, there's no air bubbles, there's no room for a literally empty ventricle or atrium. As the blood fills up in here, this blood is being pushed out. As this blood is being pushed out, more blood is coming in. So it's always circulating and always delivering blood to the body. So here on the right side, we already said before, it goes up towards the lungs where we get the gas exchange, and the blood comes back towards the heart through the pulmonary veins, and this vein runs on the back of the heart and let the blood in into the left atrium. Same thing over here. We